This video shows a detailed and satisfying blackhead removal process. At the beginning of the video, you can see facial skin with blackheads spread across the nose and chin area. An esthetician then begins careful cleansing, using special tools to press and remove the blackheads from the pores. Every step is done carefully, ensuring that the skin remains protected. When blackheads are removed one by one, the pores appear cleaner and the skin is smoother. The camera focuses on the details of the process, showing the results clearly and providing a sense of relief for the audience. The sounds produced by the equipment add to the calming effect. So this video is not only educational, but also provides a satisfying visual experience.